Hi, this is Alex Scott with Lime Financial, and I'm here to give you a tour of our charts on our Lime Trader web trader platform. So the first thing you might want to do is give yourself a little more room to focus on the charts. Over here you can collapse the watch list section, and down here you can collapse the position and account section by clicking that little arrow. That'll get that out of the way and you can focus on the chart. To add an indicator to the chart, you just click the indicator button, and there are over 90 indicators you can add. So we'll try to add a moving average, and I'll go with an exponential moving average. And then let's add volume. So we'll do the volume external study here, and that'll show you the volume for the day. Now you see those on the chart. There's a few little other things you might want to take a look at. So if you want to edit any of these studies, you can change the time frame, the period amounts, things like that. Just click on the edit button and you can change the period, the shift, the price type that's used. There's styles, so if you want to change the colors and the thickness of the lines, items like that, you can do that. There's signals, so this is built-in logic that adds those little arrows, the little green arrows pointed up and the red arrows pointed down, so you can adjust that as you need to. There's also a description, so if you want to learn about what that study does, what that indicator does, that's available to you. To remove something from here, you just click the trash can. Moving on, there's drawing tools. So if you want to do a trend line or something, you just click the appropriate tool. So let's do a trend line, and then we can click those points and adjust that trend line how we'd like to do that. And the other thing that's very common is changing the time frame. So you can choose this button, first button, and you can change to minutes. That's M1 through M30 are all minutes. You can do hours, that's H1 through H12, days, weeks, months, or quarters. Those are the time frames available. You can also turn on this information panel. So if you want to see the values of your studies at different points in time, you just drag and it'll show you the detail in that panel. You can change the style of the chart. If you want to change off of candles to something else, that's available. And then there's some other settings and indicators available in this area as well. Please let us know if you have any questions. You can always reach us on the chat within the platform. You can email us at support@lime.co, or you can give us a call. Thanks again.